Hello and welcome in. I'm Lauren, and today I have a triptych setup. Split colour. This is Patho Blue and this is house paint. It's Eggshell house paint, and I'll tell you about the mixes as we go. So I have deep golden deep teal, and I have it in 3 different shades. Full strength, part strength, so it's mixed with white, and then this where it's mainly white. And I'm going to start with that colour. The Blick Patho Blue is mixed 1 part paint, 2 parts floetrol, and about 0.3 parts water. The Eggshell house paint is 1:1 USA floetrol, paint to USA floetrol, and then probably about 0.3 parts water as well. I've got some sap green with a lot of white added to it. I'm just going to add a little bit of this in. These are some nice sea, oceany colours. This is why I like using the house paint, because I get this little lacing effect, which I like. I am going to, I love this. I love it, but I actually think I can make it a little bit better. Just a little bit. Because I love this just nearly touching but not touching. So I'm going to add a little bit of blue here, and a little bit of blue there. Let me bring you in for a close-up look. I really like the fact that I added those. I think it adds more to the overall composition. I actually think it looked great the other way too. But you can see that lacing. I find that when I use house paint as a base in a Dutch pour, I get more of that, particularly with the blue paints. Here it is on that far left canvas. Let's get it focused. So this is really pretty. I love it. The blue will dry a little bit darker, but I think that's quite a cool little painting. Let me know in the comments what you think, or give me a thumbs up. Remember, don't hesitate to create, and I'll see you next time. Bye.